Hello everybody, I downloaded a new mod today, so hopefully it will be cool and not dumb like some of the other ones are. Recently downloaded Exosuit mod, yes this one is. Spawn raid, that's really laggy, I'm not going to use that right now, maybe later. Also sorry I didn't make a video in a really long time. And also in the sandbox, remember that culling turn or whatever wasn't here? It's here now, so let's try this. Also, I got the ice gun and stuff. And hopefully the comments work because they were turned off because the last time they were turned off because my camera was on. So I turned off my camera this time. So yeah, let's see. Where's the exosuit? It's probably down here. Exosuit. How does this work? How do I do anything? Wait, what's this? What does this even do? Okay, yeah, never mind. We're just gonna play with my little ice gun. You need to die. Thank you. Die, let me through. It's like a giant blowgun. Just destroys everything. Freeze that, now blow it away. Wait, no, that's my grandma's truck, aka my truck, but still. Okay, yeah, let's see. Oh no, I almost killed myself. Also, guys, I have an auto clicker now, so I'm gonna try my little pipe bomb friend and see how he does this. Oh, cool. Auto clicker's on 100 milliseconds right now. I haven't changed it to 1 millisecond yet. Okay, yeah, that's good. This is fun destroying stuff, but let's see what else I got. Oh yeah, I also got the no ammo. Yeah, get it. Oh yeah, I got the where's liquefy? How did I get rid of this stuff again? Is it R? Dude, what? Stop. Okay, yeah, R is the answer. I don't know why this stuff keeps catching on fire. I'm gonna put out with my ice gun. It puts out fire like really easily. It's like the new and improved extinguisher. There's fire in there. Bust my way in. Let me in. Okay, fine, there's a wall there. Okay, come on. Let me get the ice gun, it's like way at the bottom. Me through. Put out this fire. Oh no, there's ice. Thank you for moving out of the way. Freeze. Freeze in the name of the law. Like literally freeze, please. Oh, the stairs are broken. Okay, good, I got it. That's out. I still hear fires. There's some downstairs. Pretty sure, yeah. Okay, there's literally nothing down here. And that creeps me out. Where's the fire? I think it's out now. Now I just hear fires over here. Die. Anything else I got? Oh yeah, this. It's a tactical nuke. Dude. How do I change it? Oh wait, oh yeah, see. Change ammo. And boom. It's just frozen now. Please do not go lag on me. Okay, good. Everything just died. What is wrong with this screen right now? See you again. Go fire. Come on. See. See you again. These things are really big. There was an acid, right? Oh no, I'm gonna die, right? What happened to this thing? Web shooter, time to be. Where is it? Spider-Man. Spider-Man. We. Ow. We. Yay. Ow. Spider-Man. Go. We. Ow. That's how I get in somewhere? We. Yay. This is fun, kind of fun. Ow, I'm gonna die. Ow. Ow, that really hurt. we. Ow. This is actually really fun. Yeah. Ow, that really hurt. Ow. What else do I have? Oh yeah, attack drone. And it's like cool. Also guys, please tell me if you can hear my voice, because that's been a problem for a really long time now. Because yeah, nobody's been able to hear my voice like that well. I have to keep holding this button. Get in there. It's like a big power explosion, right? Get in there. Okay, you're not really grabbing anything. Get it. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Okay, this is boring now. Hey, this is the arc wielder I wanted to show you guys like a really long time ago. It's good for cutting through stuff. Oh no, I missed my chance to write a P on there because it just says oop. Okay, I'm gonna restart. Come on. Spray can. There it is. There. Your new name. Congratulations. I just gotta take a screenshot of this because I want to. All done. Okay, that'd be the end of this video, guys. See you later. Bye.